Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in CapCut. Let's suppose this is a video, it doesn't have a green screen, but I have a folder in which I have some green screen videos. For instance, here's a countdown. So what I will do, I will add this video into my timeline, and so this is my video I have dragged and dropped in front of this original video. Now what I want to do, I want to remove the green screen, but I want this countdown to be visible. So what I will do, I will select the green screen video. Once selected, I will select the remove BG option, which also stands for remove background. Click on it. Now you have two different options. Auto removal, which requires a pro subscription, but if you're not a pro subscriber of CapCut, then what you can do is simply select the chroma key, check this box. Now select the color picker and move or hover your mouse over the green color. Now I will hover my mouse over the green screen. As you can see, I haven't clicked anywhere, but I just hovering my mouse. Now I will select this. Now the color picker has been set to green, but as you can see, there are some inconsistencies that you can see the green color behind the numbers. So what I can do, I can increase the intensity, increase the shadow, I can play around with some tools. Now once I'm done, I can try and play the video, and it's looking great now. So if I remove the chroma key, this was before and this is the after effect of removing the green screen, and that's simply how you can remove green screen in CapCut. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.